Schluter Curdy Drain A adapter kits are used to convert clamping ring drains to integrated bonding flange drains when removal of the clamping ring drain is not practical. Let's take a look at what's inside the Curdy Drain A 5.5-inch kit, or KDA5 kits. The KDA5 contains a 5.5-inch diameter steel adapter ring, which replaces the clamping ring of the installed drain. A tube of Curdy Fix. A bonding flange designed to integrate with the adapter ring is provided as well. It's important to recognize that the adapter flanges are different from the standard Curdy drain flanges sold separately and are not interchangeable. The kit also includes a height adjustment collar for the Curdy drain grate. And finally, waterproofing accessories, including Curdy Carrick inside and outside corners and Curdy Seal PS and MV pipe and mixing valve seals. The Curdy Drain A adapter kits can be used with either a mortar base or the Schluter Curdy Shower prefabricated shower trays. This video will demonstrate the installation of the KDA5. Remove the clamping ring from the installed drain. Be sure to save the bolts for the installation of the adapter ring. Align the bolt patterns of the clamping ring with the matching punch-outs in the adapter ring. The bolt patterns are designed to line up with the majority of clamping ring drains. Punch the matching inserts out through the adapter ring. Apply a continuous 1/4 inch to 3/8 inch bead of Schluter Curdy Fix to the underside of the adapter ring or on the clamping ring drain itself, making sure to encircle the bolt holes. Align the holes in the adapter ring with the bolt holes in the installed drain and place the adapter ring on the installed drain flange. Reinsert and tighten the bolts. Bolts are to be finger tight plus 1/4 turn. Use a crossing pattern to create even compression of the gasket. Do not over-tighten, as this may warp the adapter ring and result in leaks. The adapter flange will be inserted into the adapter ring and must sit flush with or slightly below the surface of the Curdy shower tray. Depending on the elevation of the installed clamping ring drain, it may be necessary to raise the elevation of the substrate before installing the tray and drain. The Schluter Curdy Shower CB compensation board can be used in conjunction with the KDA5 to raise the shower tray to the appropriate elevation. The required underlayment thickness can vary with the installed drain elevation and shower tray thickness. If the bonding flange is not flush with or just below the surface of the shower tray, additional compensation is needed. Do not exceed a maximum 1.5 inch overall underlayment thickness. Make sure to measure and dry fit components before installation. The Curdy Shower CB is lightweight, easy to cut, and may be used over both plywood and concrete substrates. Any leveling of the floor must be done prior to the installation of the compensation board. Apply any of our Schluter thin-set mortars or an unmodified thin-set mortar to the substrate using a 1/4 inch by 3/8 inch square or U-notch trowel. Place the compensation board and solidly embed in the mortar. Using the same trowel, apply thin-set mortar to the compensation board. Place the Curdy shower tray and solidly embed in the mortar. Next, we will install the bonding flange. Apply thin-set mortar to completely fill the step in the shower tray. Press the adapter flange firmly into the mortar to ensure full support. Check the drain for level. Clean the excess mortar from the top of the bonding flange to prepare for the Curdy collar installation. Install the Curdy collar using any of our Schluter thin-set mortars or an unmodified thin-set mortar. Apply the mortar with the Schluter Curdy trowel, which features a 1/8 inch by 1/8 inch square notch design, or a 1/4 inch by 3/16 inch V-notch trowel. Using the flat side of the trowel, apply thin-set mortar over the bonding flange and within the recessed area of the shower tray surrounding the drain. Then, comb additional mortar using the notch side of the trowel. Center the Curdy collar over the Curdy Drain A adapter flange and embed using the flat side of the trowel or a drywall taping knife. Make sure this connection is secure. Clean the excess mortar from the bonding flange. Installation of additional shower substrates, such as Kerdi Board SC shower curbs and waterproofing, are done as usual, ensuring a 2-inch overlap at all junctions. The installation of the KDA5 within a waterproof shower assembly is now complete. When installing Kerdi Drain A with a mortar base, follow the same process for installing the adapter ring. Before installing the drain flange, place a ring of loose mortar around the inlet hole in the floor. Pay close attention to filling the area over the existing drain and adapter ring. Slide the adapter flange into the adapter ring and solidly embed the flange in the mortar to ensure full support. Clean the excess mortar from the top of the bonding flange. Check the drain for level and adjust as required. The mortar bed is placed flush with the top of the bonding flange, and work on the shower assembly may continue. We have successfully converted the clamping ring drain to an integrated bonding flange drain and can continue with the Schluter shower system installation. If you still have questions, please contact our customer support specialists. For more information on Schluter products, visit schluter.com or check our YouTube channel to view our videos.